guys. Yep, out and about. Yep, just out and about right now. Just fun, not be bored, because I'm bored like ever. And it's too hot. Man, heck, it's too hot, really. It's just too hot to be really out here right now. So what I'm doing, I'm heading home because it's too hot. One, too hot. Hopefully don't cause honk at me because I don't want no, Man, I'll be crossing in this vehicle. I'm just crossing. I'm just hot. It's hot out here. Thought about no video really today. I only I recorded one last night, but I made it premiered this morning, a couple hours ago, But yeah, I'm heading home. Too hot. Cool breeze, but got it. And hopefully we have a cold front coming in. That's what they talking about, a cold front coming in. I hope we have a cold front because we need it. We need a cool down. And it looked like it's about to rain, so I need to head home anyways. So, yep, I'm out.